Hello, it's George and welcome to George Basics. In this video I want to show you guys how to buy LittleMouse token on your Trustwallet with help of Pancakeswap. So guys, this is our LittleMouse token. You can see the analytics here. It's new token, and then follow me step by step. So first of all, you need to have Trustwallet on your mobile phone. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can go to App Store or Google Play and download it for free. After you make an account, you can open Trustwallet, go to your account, and you should buy Smart Chain BNB because you buy LittleMouse token with only Smart Chain BNB. Click Smart Chain BNB and buy it here, enter amount and buy it. So after you make a deposit and buy Smart Chain BNB, then you should go back to CoinMarketCap and open LittleMouse token page. You go to search bar, you type here LittleMouse, and you see the LittleMouse token. Open it, scroll a little bit down, and here you see contracts. There is a copy icon here. You should click this copy icon and copy this contract. Now go back to your Trustwallet and then click the apps. Then scroll down and here you see Pancakeswap. Open Pancakeswap. I already logged into my account, so I will log out, and you see here is connect. Click connect and click Trustwallet. Now we need guys to click select the currency, and here you should paste the contract we copied in the browser. Wait a couple of seconds, and here is our LittleMouse token. Open it. Here we choose the amount we want to buy, and we will swap our Smart Chain BNB to LittleMouse token. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, you can click the like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching.